What's poppin' 10? I'm depositing 10. All these ends by you motherfuckers got to be. All this cops again. Eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin' 10?
So we're jumping straight in. My hair is not freshly washed. I literally pulled out the braids that I had in, and my hair is hella dirty, but I needed a style to last me because I was not about to wash my hair. So what I did was I parted my hair out. I'm going to part the middle section out. Like, this style, guys, is a really quick and fun ass style. It's like great for summer. I'm gonna call it a spicy, like, pineapple puff. I was having hella trouble parting my hair because this comb, honey, was not getting the parts right. And secondly, guys, I took my contacts out like the night before, and while taking them out, one fell on the floor and I could not find it. I searched the whole place, I couldn't find it. And the funny thing is, I was supposed to go and pick my prescription up and I didn't, so I couldn't see. I had to use my old glasses, and the prescriptions were bad, so I couldn't see. I was struggling this whole video, but this hairstyle is really easy, really simple, guys. Back to the tutorial. Yes, so I parted my hair. You know, I parted the middle out, and then I'm just parting in different sections. The first section I parted, and I'm just going in with beeswax. Like, the beeswax is the star of the show for this tutorial. Beeswax and some edge booster, and that's it. So I'm really trying to part the sections, and as you can see, I am struggling. The comb, honey, and the fact that I couldn't see too good, I don't know. So when I finally get it right, yeah, the part, we're gonna put that first section into a rubber band. Use your beeswax and stuff, guys, and then get it together. And to detangle my hair, I'm using this brush that was sent to me by Kareco brushes. It's their tangle booster. I absolutely love it. It's easy to comb my hair out, and it's easy to clean. I don't be using my diamond brush no more on my hair. It's too rough. Okay, we got it together. We finally got the first section in, and then I'm just gonna put like some beeswax on my fingers and twist that up real good. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna part the second okay, I'm twisting it up as I thought. I don't know what's going on with this video, but I'm twisting up that section real good, and I'm just using the beeswax to make the hair a bit softer because after being braided down for so long, my hair is kind of dry, and I wasn't gonna wash it. I wasn't going to even add water because I think that makes the beeswax not work well. Beeswax to me works better on dry hair, and I'm trying to part this hair into the other section, but as you can see, I struggled a lot with the parting in this video, guys. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm just adding the beeswax, and yeah, I'm gonna add that into another section. It's literally, if I can speak, going to be three sections, and you're gonna join them together and twist the ends out. Okay, so I finally got that rubber band in. Okay, and that's the second section, as I was saying. So my part looks a little bit weird right now, but I think I fixed it. At the end of the video, it's gonna come together. Okay, so yeah, that part be looking kind of weird. But yeah, guys, then you're just gonna add another rubber band and put the first section into the second one, and then you're just gonna go in as I did and twist the hair out. My hair was dry, as I told you, so I added beeswax on my fingers to glide the hair, and then I'm gonna twist it up. And I went in with my Style Factor edge, and guys, this one smells so yummy. This one is a new edge booster that they have. It's the Shine Edge Booster Shine, and it does not get white. The only thing is the hold is a 4 as opposed to the original edge booster, which is a 5. But guys, it is awesome. It does not turn white, period. It doesn't turn white. I have to do no extra steps, and it really holds my hair. I just use a little bit more, and it holds my hair just fine. And I'm just adding some on the twist because that section of my hair was really thick and that shit felt rough. So I had to do what I had to do to get the twist right, and then I got my twist, and I'm still fumbling with the parting. Oh my god. But this is the last section, guys. So once you get to the third section, you can just get that in the rubber band, detangle it first, put it in the rubber band, and then create your twist. And that's basically it. That's the hardest part. That is the hardest part. And if I had my contacts in, I would have been done in like less than. This hairstyle does not take you more than 20 minutes, to be honest. It doesn't take that long. I just had trouble seeing, but that's okay. And yeah. Now we finally have it all together. The hair is in the last section, and you're just gonna take the rubber, not the rubber bands, the hair ties out of the rest of my hair, and I'm going to detangle my hair, and we're gonna get it in a ponytail. Guys, I'm so happy with how my hair is growing. Remember how I had to like really put some work in to get a ponytail? Now it's not easy, but it's not as hard. And I just detangle my hair with that brush, and guys, it's just dry dirty hair, as I told you before. And I'm just gonna go in with the beeswax. If you don't like product on your hair, this is not for you. If you don't mind, sis, then use that product, because it really comes out with just shampooing your hair once or twice, and you're good to go. And I'm just applying the beeswax, using that comb to really get my hair detangled and get it in there. And after I brush the beeswax in, I'm gonna use a hard bristle brush, and after I get it up, I'm gonna take my edges out, and we're gonna go do some edges. And I'm using my Style Factor Edge Booster Shine, and that's what it's called, I think. So yeah, and I did not speed this part up too much. I was gonna take out a lot of these clips, but I just put it in there. I don't always get my edges on the first try. Sometimes I low-key struggle to get it together. Sometimes it's like boom, easy, and sometimes it's hard. So if you're trying to do your hair and it's giving you a little trouble, don't be discouraged. Just keep doing that, because we're not gonna stop until we look all the way together, sis, okay? And I went in with my edge brush, and this brush is from, oh my god, this brush is from, I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna go see real quick and put it on the screen, okay guys? But I'm using that brush, and I really like this brush. I've been using it a lot. I like the comb, especially because the comb really gets the hair really swooped and swishy looking all nice, so my edges be together. And guys, I swear to you, I feel like I popped my edges out a little bit when I was taking out like my crochet locks. And if you haven't seen my faux locks tutorial, go see that. Yeah, but I'm gonna use some castor oil and some wild growth oil, and everything will be up and popping real soon. But yeah, all my edges are together and they're fleeky. And then I literally went in with some of the Style Factor Edge Booster. I just put it over top the hair where I had the beeswax for that extra, you know, security, extra sleekness. And I just really brushed the hair together. And guys, I started filming at like close to sunset. So my video, the light is in, the light is out. And then I had to just turn my ring light on, guys. So don't mind how the lighting looks. As long as you can see what I'm doing, then we straight, okay? And I literally just take my brush and I smooth a lot. I use my fingers and I smooth. I really be smoothing my hair, and then that's basically it. And look at my hair. Do y'all see how I went from a little pigtail? That's not even a pigtail what I had before. Do you see hair at the top of my head, sis? Like, tell me you seen the growth. Like, look at my hair. I got a little puff on my own. Like, come on now. And I'm gonna go in with a rubber band, and I'm gonna like flatten my own hair down, just so we can have a good base to put our drawstring on. But sis, the growth is real, okay? The growth is real. I'm done now, but sis got hair. We have a little puff, okay? Yeah, and I'm gonna just flatten my hair down, and then we gonna move on to the next part of the tutorial. I'm going in with my holy grail wrap it styling strips. Like, these are key for a sleek ass hairstyle. If you don't got none, please go to your local beauty supply store, or please go online and get you some, sis. If you want that sleekness, you need those for your edges and around your hair. And then I'm just going in with my good old scarf over top just to add extra security. And the hair today is from Undeniable Wig. Their logo says she loves me, and this is 100% luxury human hair. And this drawstring ponytail is amazing. Like, I had a drawstring before. Wait, okay, so it has a comb at the top and a comb at the back, and it also has a drawstring. And I think this is their kinky texture curly. I'll leave the info in the description box. But guys, as I was saying, I had a drawstring before that was synthetic, and it lasted me for a little bit, but it didn't last that long. And I love how natural this looks, and you can have this forever. You can wash it and you're good to go. You have this forever. So I think this is a good investment. Like, I'm loving it. I'll be wearing my puff all summer. Like, this is my hair. You cannot tell me shit. And yes, all I did afterwards was just go in with some water. There's no product in the hair, just water to loosen the curls. And look at how pretty that looks. And guys, I went to sleep after this. I was done. Okay, I was done. So I'll continue the tutorial the next day. After a good night's rest, after getting my makeup game on, this is the hair. Like, look at this. When I took those strips off, I was so happy. I was so surprised. Like, sis, my hair was sleek. Like, my hair was so freaking sleek. Oh my god. I was feeling myself. I was feeling my hair. Like, come on, sis. We need to get into this. Like, it was so sleek. And them little edges at the back, that's an easy fix. I was sleeping. But look at how flat that is. And I did not wash my hair. This was not on fresh hair. Come on now for the beeswax. Like, give a round of applause for some beeswax and some edge booster. This is amazing. This is so sleek and so neat. And look at how natural the ponytail looks. I'm in love with it, and I will keep on wearing it. Just to add it, like some decoration, I went in with those little gold things. I don't know what those are called, but those decorations I got at my beauty supply store. I'm just gonna go in and put them where the rubber bands are. So there's gonna be like 3 of those in my hair. It took a little effort because of my damn nails, but I eventually got it in. And that's that. The tutorial is basically over, sis. And if you did not subscribe, like, why are you not subscribing? Just like go down below and subscribe, because this is a bomb ass hairstyle. And if you got 4C hairs, it's like, come on now, you need these tutorials in your life. Like, I am in love with this hairstyle. You can hear my voice. Like, I was so hyped. Like, this style is popping. Period. We gonna be like this all summer, spicing it up on or 4C here. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I'll definitely catch you in my next one. I love you guys so much. Mwah.